Hello guys, welcome to general membership meeting of
RV on the floor.
Visayan Filmmakers Network. Vlog ni vlog. Sige. Hi.
Kulay ako dito.
Apil na rin, ma'am. Ano ba ka, ma'am? Di ba ito membership fee?
Yes. The previously Cebu Filmmakers Network is now Visayan Filmmakers Network. It's our after party, guys. Hello.
Afternoon video.
Afternoon delight. After video, okay. Yes. Hello, everyone.
Kailan sa suwang pa sa Litos. Oh my God! Ganun man, kisa kairo!
Guys, Tita Dulce, hello sa mga bataw sa clan sa Tubigon, Bohol. Meeting out there. Yes. Visit si Tita Dulce diyan.
All shoots for that were scheduled for the CF Indians. So now we have Indians are cancelled, officially cancelled. In the future, BFN actors, performers are already banned officially by.
Okay.
Oh my God! Ganun man, kisa kairo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ganun man, kisa kairo!
Sige, to more projects and more films of Visayan Filmmakers ever.